Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through how to delete temporary files on your Windows PC. So let's get started. Firstly, come to the bottom of your computer and click on Search. Type in Run, like so. Or alternatively, press the Windows key and the R button on your keyboard, and it will open up the Run dialog box. Next, type in %temp %, and then click OK. This will take you to a folder containing various temporary files. You can select them all by clicking on one file, then pressing Ctrl+A at the same time. After selecting them all, right-click and choose Delete. Then you may encounter a prompt asking for permissions for some files. If not all files can be deleted, select Do this for all current items, and then click on Skip. Once completed, close this window and navigate to the recycle bin. From there, delete all the files, effectively clearing all temporary files on your Windows PC. And that's pretty much it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.